Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ngaji sorokan update news. For this time, I would like to information to you all about son of Java Governor Ridwan Kamil, Emril Khan Mumtaz. This news taken from a few newspaper from VOA and Jakarta Post. The son of West Java Governor Ridwan Kamil, Emril Khan Mumtaz, had sought for help until people around the Are River in Bern, Switzerland were hurted before being swept away. The current this was conveyed by the family Evi Nasmuzzaman. Our sought help, so families on the other side immediately ran to look for it. Now, residents who were on the riverbank also heard the cries of help and reported to the police, said Elvi in press conference held on land on Saturday, May 28. In additional, Elvi explained, Eril swam with his sister and friend who had lived in Switzerland for a long time. Well, Eril, the others who were swimming, there were also other tourists. To absolutely nobody's benefit, an Indonesian netizen have been review booming the Google listing Yara River in Bern, Switzerland, where the eldest son of West Java Governor Ridwan Kamil was last seen. Emril Khan Mumtaz, aka Eril, is Switzerland to pursue postgraduate degree. So, Emril is not for have fun, but Eril will study in postgraduate degree in Switzerland. So netizen and Indonesian don't just Ridwan and Emril just have fun in it Switzerland like this, yeah. He went missing after swimming in the river with his sister and their friends on the afternoon on May 26. According to Ridwan, Eril was carried away by sudden surge in river current. The search for Eril continues to this day. So, Eril, until now, is still nothing. Is some friends and Eril families like Ridwan Kamil families still looking for update for Eril until now. Soon after news about Eril broke back home, an Indonesian netizen come in swarm Are River Google listing, leaving negative comment and one-star rating, as if the waterway was fully to blame of the tragedy. The review boom reportedly broke the location rating down to 3.7, with local outlets noting that there were 3.095 review for the river as of yesterday. His Indonesian is very very amazing. If just leaving negative comment like politic in Indonesian, like SARS cases, Indonesian is very very the best. It's not in Indonesian, but all world say that Indonesian very very negative comment, the best of the world. Like this is sample negative comment from netizen Indonesian. Not recommended ya guys, because the river has harm on Indonesian, one review said. The Are River is very dangerous for swimming. The Swiss government should make safety protocol for tourists. Another comment read, amid the negative review, there were also Indonesians who left 5-star review to counter the negativity. Those who left incentive review, you brought shame to Indonesian, one review wrote. Actually, I'm embarrassed to give a review because I'm not a visitor, upset, but help increase in again due to the action of Indonesian netizen who left broad writing when they shouldn't, because they have never visited in river way. Even though I've only seen in the YouTube, it's clear that the river is nice, clean. Is there any river in Indonesia that as beautiful as Are River? Another review read. The family's information with shape was that there were elderly and children around, so the measure should be safety, he said. Not only that, Eril also observed the situation around the area river before swimming there. In fact, they forbade his mother Atalia Prachia to go swimming. So it's not only Eril swimming in area river, but his mother Atalia Prachia is also going swimming. But Atalia Prachia is leave first after Eril. So Indonesians stop to leave negative comment again in river area in Switzerland. Like Eril made sure that his mother didn't come down, so the location was his family and made sure only those who had sufficient skill to swim. So that was the situation, explained LP. Meanwhile, Indonesia ambassador to Switzerland Mulyaman Haddad said the area river is indeed popular tourist spot. However, this is not the first time Eril is explained this. Google Look have removed most the recent negative comment from Indonesian. At the time this article publication, Aire River Google listing has 47.5 review, average to 4.7 star rating. Despite the removal irrelevant review, there are still some negative and insensitive comment left on the listing, including from one Indonesian who suspect that the river is inhabited by jinn malicious demon who asked for human sacrifice. Similar incident occur between 15 until 20 cases every year. Mulyaman said on the same occasion, why there are so many? Because this is where a lot of people swim in head. However, he answered that the safety on this tourist spot is granted. The reason is that there are many things for reminder at the location, as well as information about current and temperature uploaded by local authorities that can be accessed by the public. Previously, Eril was reported missing while swimming in the area river Tuesday, May 26. This accident occurred when he and his family were looking for a campus to continue their undergraduate education. Eril was swimming with his sister and friend in Ara River at the time was dragged by the current when he was about to rise to the surface. After this incident, the search team and local police immediately conducted a search. Thank you for your watching and see you the next video. Bye.